this. Then watch until the end to know how. Pick 1:1 size for the canvas. Pick any color for your hair. Draw the shape of your hair. But first disable the alpha lock, then use the bucket. Use the dip pen hard brush. Then make a lighter shade of the original color. Keep doing that. I'm tired of doing text-to-speech, so just follow the arrows. When you're done, erase the first layer. Result. I hope this helped. Thanks for watching. Bye.
You say you love me, I say you crazy. We're nothing more than friends. You're not my lover, more like a brother. I know you since we were like 10. Yeah, don't mess it up, talking at ears. Only gonna push me away, that's it. When you say you love me, that